Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Common words. Start. The KPK/NWFP governor has stressed the need of making special efforts for character building of the youth to enable them to become future leaders in their respective fields. Full stop. Addressing as chief guest at the inaugural ceremony of the provincial annual Scouts camp at its summer headquarters, the governor said that the Scout movement provides best forum to achieve this object, through which not only their character building could be ensured, but the participants are also provided the chance to have technical know-how in certain fields. Full stop. Talking about the historical background of the movement, the governor said, though it was established during the Second World War to provide first aid facilities to the injured as well as to help the needy, and gradually it spread all over the world including Pakistan, yet its role was further defined in our country by including certain Islamic teaching in its oath. Full stop. In this connection, he also mentioned the prevailing state of affairs in the society and said that it has become necessary to make special efforts not only to further expand the base and network of the organization but to disseminate the message of the movement to each and every citizen as well. Full stop. This is must, to develop a disciplined and aware society and positive and constructive thinking and approach amongst the masses. Full stop. The equal attention has also to be focused upon the upgradation and improvement of the educational institutions. Full stop. Efforts should have to be made to determine the deficiencies of the education system and remove them gradually. Full stop.